for that. I love that. I have another caller, by the way. Hello.
Hey, Mr. Mayegi.
Hello, sir.
This is JJ from London.
My in-house FBI, DSS, and everyone Interpol together. Yeah, we are all listening now, JJ, Baba.
You know, last time I gave you information. It's
about
like
Tinubu,
these people, they
and we are talking about him now. So you are back.
Know about what their next move, arresting the journalists in Nigeria who are talking about the agitation on rail. It's like they're following you. So whenever we bring out their information, they try to hold on first. But we know all their moves. About Lagos rally, brother, let me tell you what is going on. You see that Lagos rally, it will look like a laugh. If you follow Yoruba style of doing things, start from within Ibadan, is all the agitation are no more than some area. But when the rally comes, the day of that rally, you will be surprised that the whole Yoruba will support who are living in Ibadan. The same thing is what happened in Akure, in Ekiti as well. They were surprised, they were shocked that so these people are actually listening to this thing, they've heard about it. That's why you see that all of them are now panicking. Brother, from day one, I've been telling you, the day Nigerian break, Fulani and Hausa will kill themselves for the next 20 years. War will never cease in the north. Mark my word. Do you know why?
Tell me.
You see all these our brothers, all these our papa, brother Tinubu, brother, whatever we call them, they will be the last person to join our post. And they've already started. Do you know, I told you this thing last month when you were talking. I said Tinubu will be the last person to join Oduduwa. Because already they have already started showing him the yellow card. They are about to remove the red card now and give him the red card. Then from that moment, the anger will make him lose all his eruku to fight. Brother, me and you, we are just a noise maker now. When they will now release the eruku, the Iku Monday, the Iku Sunday, the Iku Saturday to finish the whole job, that time you will be surprised. But mark my word, I don't know the prayer they can pray for now. God is not ready to unite Nigeria anymore. Look at the movement between last week and this week.
May you know waste fasting and prayer. If you have any prayer at
all. Oh my God. They have redeemed, they have Medim, they have whatever, the Medina or whatever they want to call. Let them call it. They will tell them that the man that always sit at the right hands of God Almighty is Jesus. And he's already endorsed the breakaway of Nigeria. Either they like it or not. I was at age of 4 since I've been shouting Nigeria must break. That time they used to slap me at home. If you forget, the first time that I ever called you, I said the only prayer you can ever pray is for Nigeria to break. It's like I'm saying I'm not a prophet, but I've seen it already. Do you know why? Brother, look at the situation of Nigeria between last week and this week. Ijo have already started gradually. Ijo, they have already started gradually. Between now and the next month or in the next 2 months, Middle Belt will join us. Brother, I'm giving you what will happen now, next. I'm already over the rally. Forget about the rally, nothing can stop it. But what will happen next is the Middle Belt will carry their flag and join us, making it 4 breakaway.
The global get started, JJ. If we have 4 countries there.
I'm giving you the current analysis.
I am not the only person listening, JJ. The whole world is listening.
After that, you see all these, they are noisy. Let us dialogue, let us do it. They think if they kill the Igbo, the Yoruba will be cautious. Brother, I told you last time, I said, even aeroplane will not fly when Yoruba mark the ground. I know what I'm telling you. Yoruba get them. Have you ever heard about the city that when Oyibo want to go and collect the tax in somewhere in Ijebu, when they get to the boundary, they will not see the city anymore. It will disappear in their face. Have you watched what they call this Lost? Mm-hmm. The movie called Lost. Season 1, season 2 is a city movie. When they said they can't discover a city that is rotating, an island who is disappearing, they were referring to that city in Ijebu. There's something they call spiritual in Yoruba land. And it's mighty and great. It's still cooling down there. People have it. Amorka, bring it on. Arsenal, bring it on. It will not work. I'm telling you, I know what I know. And people are ready. Ask anybody, call anybody back home. Let everybody cool down. Nigeria is already breached. But it's we that we need to fight now. We need to set our win.
Thank you so much,
Yeah. I won't say more than that. Brother, carry on.
Thank you, Baba. Thank
you
so much.
Brother, carry on. No problem.